Hello and welcome. My name is Derrick Ivey. I'm a board certified clinical hypnotherapist, researcher, and intuitive. I'm here today to give you abundance affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. You may listen at any time that you need or want to, and you can listen as many times as you would like. Each time you listen, this will further reinforce abundance and further align you with abundance in all areas of your life. Let's go. I am wildly abundant. Abundance flows in each and every area of my life. Everywhere I go, all I see is abundance. Abundance is my birthright. As I embrace my abundance, I love, honor, and accept myself. I am abundant. I associate myself with others who are abundant. My idea of abundance continues to expand. I am abundant in health. I am abundant in mental clarity. I am abundant in joy. I keep on looking for the joy. I am abundant in my gratitude. Thank you, universe. I am abundant in spiritual connection. I am abundant as I walk. I am abundant as I talk. Every time someone else sees me, they can feel my abundance. As I go about my day, everyone around me can feel the consciousness of abundance. Abundance is my birthright. Abundance is a byproduct of lifted consciousness. Abundance finds its way towards me. I am so abundant. I give my excess away to others who may use it. I think of all the things in my life that I have a surplus of. Everything reminds me of my abundance. I know I am abundant no matter what the external circumstances are. I have a can-do attitude. Yes is the energy of abundance. I say yes to myself. I say yes to things that resonate with me I say yes to things that are in alignment with who I really am. My authenticity brings abundance. I am always true to me. I help other people find abundance. It is always my turn for abundance. I list out all of the things that I am abundant in my life. I focus on that which I know I can create. I am always in the eternal now. I am always looking for what I can do to pack into the stream of life. I give abundantly because I have abundance. I graciously receive abundance. I understand that abundance is a consciousness. I understand that abundance is a giving and a taking. I know that the more I give, the more I receive. I am abundant in love. I am abundant in forgiveness. I am abundant in being me. I am so abundant. There is always extra. There is more than enough for everything I need. I can afford anything that my heart desires. My energy is my biggest asset. The more clear my energy is, the more abundance I attract into my life. I make room in my life for more abundance. I easily phase out trash and clutter. It feels so good. It welcomes new abundance in. That which takes its place is wonderful, is life-giving, is joyful, is in alignment with me. Abundance takes me places. I take abundance everywhere I go. I live in an environment of abundance. I'm grateful for what I have now, and I'm so open for more. I'm happy with where I'm at now, and I'm excited for the abundant future. I always choose love over fear. As I spread love around our planet, I'm attracting abundance for myself and others. Abundance feels good in my body. Abundance feels good in my energy field. I like to remember times when I had more than enough. I look forward to times in the future that I have more than enough. I begin seeing the more things that I recognize are abundant in my life, the more abundance shows up in all areas. I'm part of the solution in my life. Abundance is a growing process. I am rich in consciousness. I am abundant in friends. I am abundant in ideas. I am abundant in pure positive energy. That abundance creates more abundance. Then that abundance creates even more abundance. I love to create. Creating creates more. Abundance is my birthright. Abundance is already here. And I know now the great secret of abundance. That abundance is not an end in itself, but a growing process. I feel the high vibration of abundance all over my body, and I take that out into the world. Peace.